Hello, I'm Tom Bird, Senior Forecaster with the National Weather Service in El Paso with a winter weather briefing for significant snow Friday night, December 25th through Sunday the 27th. We expect a heavy snow across the borderland, southwest New Mexico and far west Texas, including Hidalgo, Grant, Sierra, Luna, Doñana, Otero, El Paso, and Husband counties. The event is to begin either late Friday or early Saturday morning, and then end Sunday night to Monday morning. Expected snow amounts heavy in the Sacramento Mountains with 1 to 2 feet, especially along east slopes and ridges with lesser amounts on the west slopes. All areas east of the Continental Divide look like they'll get between 3 and 7 inches. This includes the lowlands in El Paso, Las Cruces, and Truth or Consequences. And then west of the Continental Divide, 1 to 3 inches, including Deming and Lordsburg. Expected impacts are many. First, with travel, road closures are likely, especially the passes, so expect Trans Mountain, Anthony, Gap, St. Augustine, and Emory to all be closed. And then the interstates north of Hatch and especially north of 25, closures probably there. And then as you move east to Sierra Blanca, I-10 may need to be closed, so that could impact holiday travel. Treacherous road conditions on those roads that aren't closed, they may become snow-packed with ice bridges and low visibility in snow and fog. And then air traffic could see delays and cancellations in flights due to low clouds and fogs that restrict safe flight travel. For health, slips and falls will probably become common with slippery, hard-packed surfaces, increasing emergency responses and hospital traffic. Exposure concerns with very cold temperatures and wind chills, so expect some concerns for exposure to people, pets, and livestock. And then event delays and cancellations. Remember, Sun Bowl game is the 26th, the day after Christmas, and it could be impacted. It's on the front end of the system. And then damage to pipes and plants. Confidence increases as we move towards the east, especially over the Sacramento Mountains where the most snow is expected. And as we move west, our confidence is a little bit less because they're expecting lesser snow, and so the potential for impacting heavy snow is lesser out west, so we're not quite as certain on that. The reason why we have the confidence increasing east is as you look to the east, you see more and more snow, anywhere between 4 to 12 inches as you move that way. So we have good confidence with two models showing the same output, so to speak, in better snow to the east. Here's the evolution and the timing of the storm. It starts out either late Friday into Saturday morning as the system is dropping over Arizona and moving our way. Underneath that, you have a pair of cold fronts that's pushing cold air towards us, but not here yet. It arrives Saturday afternoon. So Saturday afternoon, going into Sunday morning, we see the peak of the system as it starts to pass to our south with cold air pushing in. So we see the bulk of our snowfall probably Saturday night through much of the day Sunday. And then the last frame to the right, the system is now exiting over Texas with the snow ending from west to east, but cold air staying in place. Here's our forecast snow amounts out of the office right now. You'll notice the corridor, the I-10 to I-25 corridor, showing anywhere between 5 and 6 inches of snow for the event. More as you move east and less as you move west, and double-digit amounts in the area mountains. Uncertainties, we have 3. Location of heaviest snow bands. The way snow falls is you get these heavy snow bands, and where they fall you get good snow, and where they don't you get moderate snow. So Las Cruces could get 6 while El Paso gets 3, or vice versa. It's hard to call this early out. Timing of rain turning over to snowfall with that cold front dropping in during the day on Saturday. We'll see rain ahead of that and then snow after it. And so when that frontal timing is will determine how much snowfall any area gets. Then finally the storm exit and the snow ending could exit any time from Sunday night to Monday morning. No watches, warnings, or advisories are in effect now, but we expect to issue a watch either tonight or tomorrow. And then winter weather advisories for the southwestern lowlands and winter weather warnings for all the mountains and the lowlands east of the divide. Summarizing the impacts: road closures, treacherous travel, slips and falls, exposure danger, event cancellations and delays, and pipe and plant damage. So that covers it for this update of our expected winter weather for this Christmas weekend. Stay tuned as we'll have updates, so follow us on our social media platforms, Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube, and go to our webpage at weather.gov/El Paso. Thank you for your time.